What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a really quick review about this Lazy Susan. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this thing, including one thing you should know before buying. So guys, in our house we have what they call a little butler's pantry. So basically we just have a ton of coffee. And we had these kind of stacked to the side. And I don't know, I guess my wife just didn't like it that way. They were kind of lined up there, didn't like how it looked. So we wanted to add something to hold them, and she decided to get this right here. And it works just like you would suspect. It basically will spin, and you can easily grab whatever it is that you need in order to use it. Now, the look of it is really good. We got some nice shelves up here, things like that. This wood matches really well. It's got a few water droplets here, so ignore those, but it matches really well. Came in one piece, nothing cracked, anything like that. It has a really nice finish, as you can see here. I think that does a really good job of showing you the finish. The steel, everything looks good as well. Something that's kind of weird, and we couldn't figure out why this is. They actually have a compass on the back, which was like some, a hidden little Easter egg, if you will. So yeah, it does exactly what it's intended to do. It looks really nice. We like the fact that, when you do that, it can spin really, really easily. So yeah, overall, really nice piece that really helps with the decor and just looks good in general. Now, there is one thing to know about it, and it actually comes to the spinning. So I'm going to go ahead and spin so you can see how easily this spins. Let me add the syrups on here real quick. All right, so now that the syrups are on here, we're gonna give it another spin. And it's not really happening here, but the one thing that has happened to me actually a few times is just while spinning it, I tend to spin it a little bit fast, and it's on, the bearings that it's on spin really, really quick. So just be aware that it does spin quick, and if you're kind of not, paying attention, if you will, it can essentially knock things over. So if you have glass or whatever on there, just be aware of that. Just, controlled spin. I mean, such a simple thing, right? But just something I think you should be aware of, because I do know that I've knocked these things over a couple times. But other than that, guys, really good Lazy Susan. Really, really like it. And if you're considering it, we definitely don't think that you would regret making this purchase.